a whole bunch of ones. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. And let's see if we can finish some group plays. First up is Ellie on Earth. It's the last one. And it's $4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and we saved, with Ellie's we saved 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And we'll put $1 in the, I'm going to take it out of here and put it in the ding 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 from Donna Powered by Creativity. And this money I'm going to use to fund my group play, my December group play. Thank you, Ellie. I enjoyed doing this. These girls are so cute. And next up is Woods from Elaine Realize. And we have one more on this one. $6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one, I'm not gonna finish the back. It was the 2s, but I'm just gonna finish it today. And I have a lot of ones in this one. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54. It's a pretty good amount. I'm going to ring the bell and put $1 in the ding ding ding. Thank you, Elaine. This was fun doing also. I enjoyed it. And now I'm going to skip the cancer challenge this week from MS Mom Budgets because I want to see if I can do these. We'll do this. This is my crab challenge. It's in my Etsy. And let's try this one. I don't remember what they were. $3. And I think that's all we have. 1, 2, 3. And I'm not gonna chance it. I have $1 left, but we'll just keep going on this one next week. And also for Elaine's challenge, I'm gonna use towards group play and postage and Happy Mail. And next week I'll be starting my group play on the 1st. And I still have, this weekend I'm gonna work. I have 10 more to send out, and if you signed up after the 19th, you won't get one till December's group play, because I cut it off on the 18th, I believe. So I'll be working on the next group play and getting those out in November, the middle of November. Happy Sunday. How are you guys doing? Today I'm starting with my part of the book from Onyx, Budget for Success. It's save $5 each page. And I have $5 here. And Let's start with 50 cents. So 50, 10 cents, 25 cents, and 25 cents. And I decided I'm gonna put half of my coins that I save until Halloween, and I'm gonna put half in emergency, and then the other half will go for part of my Christmas fund. And 75 cents. Oops, sorry, I bumped the camera. 35 cents, 25, 35, 20 cents, and $1. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, $1. I'm just gonna put it in there. $0.30, 5 cents, 45 cents, 10, 20, 30, 40, 5, and the last one's 80 cents. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 5, 75, 80. And this book's available on Onyx's Etsy and I believe her Ko-fi shop at Budget for Success. And if I remember, I'll put the link in the description. Or you can go to her channel. And I love this book with the ladybug and bunny. It's cute. And then next up is my watch hours. And I think I have 1,914. So we can color in another play button. And we're almost halfway. And thank you for everyone that's been watching, and I hope you guys can keep watching. I'm almost halfway. And then now I want to do my Happy Mail I got from my friend Jasmine over at MS Mom Budgets. She sent me a Happy Mail. And let me show you first. She made these challenges. This one's Nightmare Before Christmas. And then a Disney savings, and you fill in your own amount on each one. And then she made a 40 envelope savings challenge. I'm going to try to do this next year, because I really haven't been able to do my 100 envelope. I've been doing the 50 envelope box, but I'm just doing the roll and save. And then she made a $50 butterfly scratch off and a $50 star scratch off. And then she's making these pins, and I started making these too, but This one's really cute. And it says love, and it has a heart with flowers. It's cute. Thank you, Jasmine. But she's selling these, and she says if you're wanting to buy one of these pens, you can. I believe they're in her Etsy shop and her Ko-fi. And she says if anyone wants one, they can email me or message me on Instagram for increase. So I'll put her information in the description also. It's pretty. Thank you. And that's all I have for today. I'll see you in the next video, which will be my Monday minis. And I believe these are in her. I know. I think these in her Ko-fi. I don't think she put those on Etsy. But I'll see you for Monday minis. Oh, and I also sent out all the group plays. I have like 10 more going out on Monday, and then I put a community post up with a link for the download if you didn't get a chance to sign up before my deadline, or when I close the group play on the 18th. If you can print and download, I put the description. It's in my community post with a link to my Ko-fi shop, and you can download the group. It's one of the designs I made. I made 3 different designs so that everybody doesn't have the same numbers. But it's a $25 challenge. But it's in my Ko-fi now. I'll see you Monday. Bye.